Hey guys, I'm Bill Mullen from Bill Mullen Electric, and I always have customers asking me how loud are the generators, standby generators that we install. So what I thought I'd do is we're running a maintenance on a current customer that we've had for a few years, and we put the generator on manual, so it's not running under any load. But right now we are about 15 feet away. And so now I'm walking up and I'm about 5 feet away from the unit right now. If I shut the top to the generator, it's going to get a little bit more quiet. And right here, we're about 5 feet away from the unit. And so we best compare it to an idle lawnmower, but hopefully this helps you in the future, and I guess that's it for today. I'm Bill Mullen from Bill Mullen Electric. Thanks, guys.